Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful collection of crochet coasters. You will see very amazing and beautiful designs of crochet coasters in this video. Super amazing and beginner friendly patterns are included in this video, and all of them are made in very attractive and gorgeous contrasting color schemes. You will see most of the designs in flower shape as well, like this one, which is giving really attractive and unique look due to its color scheme. And you will find other designs as well. Most of the designs are made in two different contrasting color schemes like this one, but you will also find the designs in 3 or 4 contrasting color schemes as well, which are less, and you can also make them in single color scheme like this one as well. That's all up to you. I have uploaded many of the coaster tutorial videos on my channel already, so many of the designs which are available in this video are also available on my channel with full DIY details. So you can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home very easily if you know crochet work, because all of these designs are super beginner friendly and can easily be made. So you can just follow the picture pattern, which is simply double crochet stitch pattern in round shape, and then different borders are made like shell stitch border and other different borders which are made using double crochet stitch mostly, and triple crochet stitch is also used in some of the designs, and you will also see single crochet stitch used in a few of the designs as well. So you can easily make them if you know crochet work. Stitches are so clear that you can tell just by seeing that which stitch is used to make this pattern. And if you are super beginner and don't know the stitches, you can follow the tutorial videos which are available on my channel as well. You will find many of the coaster tutorial videos which are available in this video as well. And if you are interested in seeing any specific video which is currently not available on my channel, do let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request too. So stay connected and do subscribe to get notifications of future uploads of my on my channel if you are a lover of crochet work. So press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon to get notifications of every future upload. So share this video with other handmade products lovers and crochet product lovers in your circle as well, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends of handmade products. So just share this video, and also let me know about your experience of any crochet product which you tried. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.